Hi everyone, I am Nidhi Wahi and welcome back to my channel Goodvibes by Nidhi. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my creative family. So let's start with today's video. In this video, it is going to be a first impression video of this artist brush pen by Camlin brand. These are pigment based ink waterproof and UV resistant brush pens, which has 12 shades in it. Let's have a look at the back side of the box. It says that these brush pens have flexible tip for perfect thick and thin strokes, which gives the effect of a brush. You can do sketching, calligraphy and make illustrations with it. And this pack retails for Rs 400. Let's open the box. I really like the packaging. It is very classy and vibrant. So these are the 12 brush pens and they have given you color swatches in the top part of the box. Let's try these pens now. I am going to make floral letters to check the tip of the brush pens. For that, I am drawing my name with the pencil first. Use very light hand for this step. I am taking sky blue shade to make the florals first. Now I am taking magenta shade. So as you can see, the tip of these pens are very flexible and sharp. I am making very small petals for my flowers. These colors are very vibrant also. Now I am making a rose with the very simple strokes and they are looking so cute. Let's quickly complete all the floral work. As you can see that I am using very simple strokes and making flowers. So any beginner out there can try these floral letters. Now I am making the leaves. For that I am using these colors. I am using sap green color to make the leaves. These floral letters can also be called as floral doodles. You can use these floral letters to make many of your art projects and can gift these to your loved ones in a frame. As you can see, the tip is so precise and pointy to make very thin lines. We are going to check this point in the final part of this video, so stay here till the end. I'm just giving the highlighting with lemon yellow shade. Now I am doing rough outline with the dark shades to give these florals more depth. As you can see, I am not outlining the entire leaf. I am just giving it a depth. As you can see, the tip is so thin and these are giving me so thin and smooth strokes which you can't achieve with the regular sketch pens. Let's complete the remaining letters. If you have any doubt or you recreate any of my artworks, do share it with me on my Instagram. I will surely repost your work there. Overall, I am very impressed with the quality, but I will try these brush pens once more for you guys and using it as a watercolor pens and will make a landscape, so stay tuned for that video. So yeah, this is the final outcome. I really like the final result. You can make these floral doodles for yourself and gift it to your loved ones in a frame. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do so, then do support me and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future updates. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, lots of good vibes to all of you from my side. Bye.